Why is it so quiet? This guy's coming up to me for some reason. Oh no. Never mind. That lightning's striking everywhere. Oh, what do we have issued? Severe thunderstorm. Oh, I feel static in the air again. Not good. Better make sure you're not touching all that rubber. I mean, yeah, you better not make sure you're touching certain shit. Woo! Now this is a severe storm, baby. Wow, look at that wind. Look at that wind coming down the mountains. Just like Texas. Oh my God, look at that gust. It's shaking the car. Oh. We got hail. Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit! Make sure to unplug your seatbelt when you're in your vehicle with lightning. Wow, dude. Whoa! That is some heavy mother freaking rain, dude. Oh, I feel static again. Oh, shit! That was kind of close. Wow. I can't see none of the mountains. A little bit, but not much. Man, look at the flooding. Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit. Now that is some heavy mother freaking rain. This is what Los Angeles needs. Oh shit! Oh look, ABC7 wants to catch in on the action. Oh look, they're on top of the... Look, they're stopping right here. Oh, they know it's bad. beautiful and scary. Man, we haven't had something like this in a long time. That runoff, though. Wow, that is, what is that? It's heavy rain. Oh. Nice 18-wheeler, dude. Oh, the sun's starting to shine on the southeast side of the storm now. That was crazy. Oh, the back of the storm usually has a lot of lightning. I forget about that. It don't matter where you're at in the world. The back of storms usually have more lightning. Cloud of ground lightning. Way to stop for the stop sign, man. I tell you. You know, stop signs do exist. Now that's a beautiful storm. Some big ass raindrops. Man. Those are huge raindrops, dude. Wow, look at the way the wind's going now. That's weird. Damn. Man, I love these California people. They know how to stop at a stop sign. Very professional. Significant threat to life or property. Response action should be taken immediately. Probability 100%. I didn't get the full storm either. That wasn't the full storm. It's pretty impressive, dude. I like how Action News over there is recording the freeways, which makes it funny. I think that's it. except for some lightning. Oh, there you go. That was a severe thunderstorm in Los Angeles. Well, north of Los Angeles and not too far from LA. Oh, what? 20 miles? That was impressive, dude. Wow. Well, there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching.